Good morning students, I am your computer teacher JP Gupta sir. As I have completed the explanation of your second chapter formula and function. Today we shall discuss book exercise of this chapter in this video. So students, open your page number 25. So student, first section of this exercise is filling the blanks. First statement is given here, formula are used to perform dash. So the correct answer is calculation. Come to the next one. Second, the cell address in the formula is also called dash. Correct answer is here cell reference. In third one, the cell address in a formula that does not change or copying is considered as. The correct answer is here absolute reference. In fourth one, dash are input to function which accept values as number or text. So the correct answer is here argument. In fifth one, the dash character is used for concatenation of string. The correct answer is AND. So students, our first section is completed now. Second section is completed now. Second section is here state true or false. In this section, first statement is given here, formula must begin with the question mark. This is the false statement, students. Second one is in absolute referencing the relative position of the rows and column change where you copy a formula. So this one is also false. Third one, now Excel has clubbed all the function in the formula library group. This one is also false statement here. Fourth statement is given, a range can be used in a formula. This is true. Fifth one is the error has value occurs if the number is divided by 0. So that is false statement, student. Now true false is completed. Now next one is application based question section here. So the first question is here, a sport teacher has measured the height of the students in the class. Soumya has been given the assignment, find the maximum and minimum height from the collected data. Suggest the function which she used to accomplish the task. So answer is here, students. Soumya should use the max function to find the maximum height and the mean function to find the minimum height from the collected data. Question number 2 is here, Miss Priya and her friends got a raise of 10% in their salary. Find the total amount after the raise if their present salary is 15,000 rupees each. Calculate the salary by using the formula. The answer of this question is here, by using the formula equal sign 15,000 multiplied by 10 and divided by 100. So application based question section is completed here. Now next section start multiple choice question. So in this section, first statement is here, to use the sheet reference which address is appropriate out of the following option. So C option is correct here. Sheet 1 exclamation mark D4. Statement 2, which key combination is used to get the sum of the values of adjacent cell. Correct option C is here again. Answer is alter plus equal sign. Third statement is here, which function find the largest number in a range. So again option C is correct. Answer is max function. Fourth statement is here, which of the given cell reference can be used in relative reference. So option B is correct here. The answer is A3. Fifth statement, which function is used to count the number of numeric values in a range? Option A is correct here. The answer is count. So thank you for watching my video, student. Completed now.